All right, well, we are working on a project actually at our own house. This is a barn that we have been working on to paint. So this has all been primed with wood primer from Sherwin-Williams, and it was Performance Wood Primer. And so now we are repainting, and I'm using Rejuvenate because we have old wood and new wood. So the Rejuvenate, we are painting, I'm just spraying it on here with Airless sprayer, and it's a 517 tip that's on here, and just spraying it to get it on. And I'll do it with 2 coats. This is just the first coat going on, and then I'll have to go back and do it with a second coat because it's just sucking it up with the new and old. The color is Beetroot, and sorry I didn't move the camera here in a second, but it's Beetroot. That's the color we're using, and Rejuvenate, and we're using satin finish on here. And again, I just, like on this side, we replaced probably half the boards, so caulking in the old holes, scraping off the old paint, and then just getting a sprayer in there, getting at all the nooks and crannies, making sure that none of the white shows through. And again, this is just the first coat. It's gonna take 2 because white or red over white never quite works, despite spraying. So this is just the first coat, but you can kind of see what a transformation that makes.